right, so this is our copper still, and what we do here is a dry distilling. So basically what that means is that our ingredients and the water are separated. So we will fill this about 2/3 of the way up with water, and then the rest of this will be filled with lavender. We'll pack this hat and this little cylinder here, and then as this water boils, steam will pass through the lavender and collect all of the chemical elements of the lavender and all the ingredients of it. So then once it reaches this tube here, we basically just have 100% lavender steam. Chemically it is the exact same, except it is just in a different element now.
Right.
So it'll pass all the way through here.
Oh, I'm trying to just keep you out.
And then this little bucket right here will be filled with water. And as the steam passes through this coil, what it does is it has it's the most surface area and the least amount of space as possible. So as it passes through here, it will recondense back into a liquid. And after it does that, it passes through this little spigot.
Right.
And we have lavender oil and lavender water.
Wow. Is this heated water or cool water?
It is actually just hose water, so it's real cool. It's about 50 degrees at the bottom, and we can just use hose water because it doesn't actually come in contact with the steam.
Right.
So it.
Oh, and because this is the final output.
Yep.
Right
exactly.
there.
So they don't actually come in physical contact, so it doesn't have to be distilled water or anything.
What's it like inside here? Any tubes or anything, or is it just
tubes.
open?
Part for you. So that doesn't move anymore. Maybe not.
Oh, you don't have to.
This is all open, and then in here there's just one little plate with a bunch of holes that allow the steam to come through.
Oh, all right, cool. Good. Thank you.
Yeah.